In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email capture and also automatically send an email if you are a complete beginner. From creating the landing page that collects the emails to key steps so those things don't hold you back, making you a pro from the start. This step-by-step guide will cover everything. Okay, step one, we're going to create the landing page. So let's get right into it. So in your System IO account, you're going to go to the top where it says funnels. Click the funnels tab. You're going to create a new funnel. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to say test. Since it's a test, if you have a custom domain, you can click right here to where you want your landing page to be connected to. And then select which option you want. So in this case, we're going to be building an audience, collect email addresses, and build your email list. So simply click that and choose the currency that you want to use. So you see the funnel is successfully made. We're going to click where it says test funnel. And when you come over here, it's going to populate you with some pre-designed templates. So if you want to simply use one of these, that is fine. So for this purpose, let's just try this one. But if you want to make one completely custom from scratch, just scroll right here to 30 and then keep clicking next until you see the blank one. It'll just look like a piece of lined notebook paper, and that's their blank canvas. But I'm just going to use this one since it already is set up. And once you select it, you come over here to the side where it says edit the page. And right here is the email capture. So whatever your business is about, you have your headline, what you do, and then just a little more information. Person will put their email here, and when they click the submit button, then their email gets put into your system account, into your contacts. But you can click and choose an action right here on this sidebar once you highlight the button. So it's going to submit form, and then it says, do you want to redirect users after contact registration, and then to the next step. So the next step is when you're out here, we're just going to say save changes. So when you go back out, this would be the next step in this sequence, which would be a thank you page for the download. But for this, we want to collect the email, but then we want it to automatically send a email to them, where then we can have them in an automated system. So how we do that is we're going to have to set up an automation rule. We're going to have to set up an automation rule for our squeeze page. We're going to add a rule. So we're going to add a trigger. Funnel step occurs when a contact has subscribed through a form. So when they submit their email, that's them subscribing to your form. So we're going to click that. And let's see. And add action. Okay, so once you click on that, you're going to add your action. And then from here, you can send an email to a contact. You can subscribe them to a whole email campaign. So that would be a multi-sequence of emails that you would like to automatically put them into. So typically that's what I do. When people join my email list, then they will go into a campaign of emails. But let's just say you're going to send one email. You just a thank you, maybe it's a welcome, just something to acknowledge that. Or if you need to deliver a freebie and you want to do it via email, you can also do that too. So you know they're going to automatically get their, what they need, their digital download via their email. And you don't have to physically send the email off. You can connect this up to be automated. So then right here, you will click where it says create an email. And we'll just say test email. You can put whatever you want in preview or not. You're testing. That's it. Okay. And then, of course, you would fill this out like a regular email or however you want to submit it. If you wanted to add a hyperlink something, you just click there, you would add your link, and then if the person clicked on that, it would take them where they needed to go. So you could do that as well. And then you click save. Save rule. Okay, so we save that rule. And now we're going to test to see if everything is working properly. So we're just going to go to View Funnel. Since I didn't select the thank you page, it just did this automatic one. But as you can see, right here on my phone, I just got an alert from my email. See, from Jordan E. Testing. This is a test, right? Right on my email. So all I did was submitted the email into the to the capture, and it automatically sent that email that we just created straight to this new email subscriber. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more content like this with step-by-step tutorials in real time. Thank you, and I will see y'all in the next one. Be blessed, guys.